started, guys. Let's check our homework. So firstly, our homework was all about fact and opinion. Who can tell me, what is a fact? What does that mean? What's the difference between fact and opinion? What is the difference? Oh, Teddy, go ahead.
It's a true thing that, for example, the spider has 8 legs.
Good girl, well done. So a fact is something that can be proven to be true, like a spider has 8 legs. We can count. And an opinion is just how someone, one person, feels about a certain thing. Well done, Teddy. So a fact is something that can be proven true, and an opinion is just what one person thinks. Now let's have a look at the sentences here. Pizza is a type of Italian food. The second sentence says, pizza is the best food to eat on your birthday. Now, who can tell me which sentence is a fact and which sentence is an opinion? Okay, Nancy, go ahead.
Okay. The fact is the pizza is a type of Italian food.
Good girl. Well done, Nancy. Pizza is a type of Italian food is a fact. We can prove that it comes from Italy. The Italians created the pizza. So that makes the opinion sentence what, Nancy?
The pizza is the best thing to eat on your birthday.
Very good. That's an opinion. How did you know that was an opinion, Nancy?
Because not all people think that pizza is the best. Some people say it. Some people say that not all of us. Only some countries.
Very good. Well done. Some people like to eat different things on their birthday. For example, some people might want to eat birthday cake on their birthday, and that's the best food to eat. Some people might want to eat hamburgers on their birthday, and that would be the best food to eat. So this is an opinion because not everyone likes pizza. This isn't a fact because it can be proven true. Well done, guys. Now let's check our homework. Okay, so firstly, well done to Kaki. Good girl, Kaki. So yours is the example homework today. So for homework, you guys had a word and you had to write a fact and an opinion about that word. So let's read what Kaki wrote. Number 1, candy. Fact, candy is sweet. Opinion, candy is the best snack. Number 2, tree. Fact, trees make oxygen for people. Opinion, trees are beautiful. So well done, Kaki, but remember, we must add S when we're talking about more than one. So if you're talking about one tree, you would say a tree is beautiful, or we would say trees are beautiful. And number 3, monkey. Okay, monkeys like to climb trees. And the opinion is that monkeys are the smartest animal in the world. So again, well done, Kaki. You have clearly stated a fact for each word, and you have given your own opinion about each word. So well done, Kaki. Our next homework is... Well done, Simon. Very good. So Simon, your homework was great. We had a few small spelling errors with capital letters. Now, guys, remember when we start a sentence, it must begin with a capital letter. So there were a few homeworks where I could see lowercase letters to start the sentence, and we must make sure that we start a sentence with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Number 4, let's see what Simon wrote. Fact, carrot. Carrots are healthy. Opinion, I like carrots. Number 5, Australia. Fact, Australia is a country. Opinion, Australia is the best country. Number 6, bird. Birds have wings to fly. Opinion, birds are the best flying animal. 7, pizza. We need instructions to make the pizza. Opinion, I like pizza. Piano. A piano has keys to make music. Opinion, a piano is the best instrument. Banana. Fact, bananas are a type of fruit. Opinion, I like bananas. So well done, Simon. Again, you have clearly stated a fact for each word and your own opinion. Now, what I do want to say is I want to say thank you to everyone who completed their homework and uploaded it. You are the following students. From 2E9, we have Noob, Sao, Ming Huang, Mia, Kiwi, and Kui Kang. Well done. And from 2E10, we have Simon, Michael, Zui Ming, Jenny, and Dami. So well done, guys. Now, something I do want to say is that some students, their homework was mainly right, but some students wrote opinions as facts. So some people's opinions, some people's facts would be, for example, pizza is the best food as a fact. Now, that is incorrect. So as I said at the beginning, before we started our homework, here we can see that a fact is something that can be proven true. For example, pizza is a type of Italian food. We know this is true, and we can read many books to explain that this is true. An opinion is something that you or one other person feels. So saying that pizza is the best food is not a fact. It's only an opinion. Saying that pizza is the best food, we cannot prove that. There are many people in the world who hate pizza, therefore it is not a fact, just an opinion. Okay, let's move on. So let's go on to our actual lesson today. Today we're learning about expanding and rearranging sentences. So what does that mean? Firstly, what is a simple sentence? Well, a simple sentence has one subject and one predicate. Now, the subject tells who the sentence is about, and the predicate tells what the subject does. Let's have a look at this sentence and see if we can identify the subject and the predicate. The cat sleeps. Who can tell me what the subject of this sentence is? Who is this sentence about? Who is this sentence about? What is the subject? Simon.
The subject is the cat and the predicate is the word sleep.
Very nice. Thank you for giving them both to me, Simon. You are right. The cat is the subject. That is who this sentence is about. The cat is who we're talking about. And the predicate tells what the subject does, and the cat sleeps. So sleeps is the predicate. Well done, Simon. So this is a simple sentence. The cat sleeps. It has one subject and one predicate. Now, what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is something that we learned about last week. Now, can everyone have a look at the screen? A sentence that expresses two thoughts is a compound sentence. A compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences. The shorter sentences are connected by words such as and, but, and or. These words are called conjunctions. We must use a comma before the connecting word. So we must use a comma before we add two sentences together. Let's have a look. So we actually learned this last week. Who can remember? I ordered a blueberry ice cream. My sister ordered a chocolate sundae. Here we have two simple sentences talking about one subject, I, and over here we're talking about my sister. The predicate is ordered a blueberry ice cream, and the predicate here is ordered a chocolate sundae. Now, I want to combine these two sentences to make one compound sentence. Who thinks they can tell me which connecting word I can use to make this one compound sentence? Kiwi?
But
Very good. Well done. We can use the connecting word but to make these into one compound sentence. So if we add the word but, the sentence will show, I ordered a blueberry ice cream, but my sister ordered a chocolate sundae. Make sure that we must add the comma before the connecting word here. Well done, Kiwi. That's perfect. So a compound sentence is when we take two simple sentences and add them together to make one long compound sentence. Kiwi. Moving on. So today we're learning about expanding sentences. When we expand a sentence, we add more details to the sentence. Okay, so when we expand a sentence, we add more details to a sentence. We give more details. Who can tell me what this is? Simon.
the picture is showing that that a birthday cake or cake is on a plate.
Very good. Well done, Simon. So we're not sure if it's a birthday cake because it doesn't have any candles, but we do know it's a cake. So you're perfectly right. Here we have a cake. It's a cake. Okay. It has zero colors and zero details. We don't know anything about this. Here is a very boring sentence. It's a cake. Yawn. That's very boring and not colorful. Da, 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 da. But if we look at this cake, what can we tell about this cake? How is this cake different than the last cake? Demi.
It has white food.
It has what, sorry?
Chocolate.
White chocolate.
It
Very
has
good.
white chocolate.
Good. I can see white chocolate. What else does it have, Demi?
Cupcake.
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 Oh, it has little whips of cream. Yeah, very good. Well
No,
done,
that's
Dami.
a proof.
Very good.
That's a proof.
And okay, who else? Zweeming.
It has color. Brown, white,
Yep.
red,
Yep.
yellow.
Very good. Well done, Zweeming. Leo, what else can you tell me that is different about this cake? What's it got on top here? What's this?
Candle.
Good. So what kind of cake do you think it is if it has a candle on top?
A birthday cake.
Very good. Well done. It's a birthday cake. Usually we put candles on top of a cake to celebrate someone's birthday. They get to blow out the candles and make a wish. So the last sentence we read said, it's a cake. Very boring sentence. This sentence now says, who can read this sentence for me? Michael, can you read the sentence for the class?
It's a delicious chocolate birthday cake with yellow stars and pink sprinkles.
Very good. Thank you, Michael. It's a delicious chocolate birthday cake with yellow stars and pink sprinkles. Now, this sentence is so much better than the previous sentence. It's a cake. The last sentence is boring and it doesn't tell us any details. If we are reading the last sentence, it's a cake, the image that we have in our mind is this, a very boring plain cake. However, as writers, if we expand our sentences and use more adjectives and colors, like delicious, chocolate, birthday, yellow, pink, it paints a picture in the reader's head and it makes it much more interesting. Let's have a look. Now, when we expand sentences, we can think about the 5 W's. Now, what are the 5 W's? Let's find out. So my example is my sister. What? What does your sister do? My sister ran. When? My sister ran yesterday. Where? My sister ran to the park yesterday. Why? My sister ran to the park to get some exercise yesterday. Here we have the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, and why. Now, when we use the 5 W's and we think about using them in our writing, we can go from having 2 words to having a full-blown detailed sentence. We started off with just 2 words, my sister, but when we think about all the other W's, we can depict a beautiful sentence. Now we're going to try together to make a sentence. Who? So I've started us off. I. What happens next? What do we do? Who can tell me what I do? Let's make a sentence together.
I skate.
I skate. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to add that in. I skate. I skate. Perfect. Well done, Buh. Okay, when? I skate. When? When am I skating? Did I skate yesterday? Will I skate tomorrow? Kaki.
I skate today.
Okay, perfect. Well done.
Today I skate.
I skate today. Okay, perfect. Well done, Kaki. Thank you. Okay, where? Where do I go skating? Michael. Let's have Michael.
I skate at the rink.
Oh, very good. Well done. So we're going ice skating. I skate at the rink today. So we'll have to put in will here. I will skate at the rink today. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now, why? Why am I going skating at the rink today? Why am I doing that? Nancy, can you tell me?
Because it's snowy.
Very good. Perfect. I will skate at the rink today because it's snowing. Now I'm going to have to make perfect. There we go, guys. Have a look. We have just created a perfect sentence. I skate. I skate today. I will skate at the rink today. I will skate at the rink today because it's snowing. Perfect. With the help of all of you and our imaginations, we have expanded a sentence just from the word I. We have created a beautiful sentence which has details of who, what, when, where, and why. Well done, guys. Now, let's have a look at this little worksheet. Okay, produce, expand, and rearrange. Use the picture to write a simple sentence. Have a look at this picture. What do you think she's doing? We can also use the words in the word bank to help us. Mix, bake, ingredients, cookies. Who can give me a simple sentence? So not a compound sentence, a very simple sentence with just one subject and one predicate. Who's got their hand up? Lum.
This girl is mixing cookies.
Very good. You can say this girl is mixing ingredients to make cookies. Very good, Lam. That's a great sentence. Let's have a look at the example sentence. I mix the ingredients to bake cookies. So well done, Lam. You're very good. She's mixing the ingredients to bake cookies. So here we have a very simple sentence. I mix the ingredients to bake cookies. Now, let's use this simple sentence to write an expanded sentence. How could we expand this sentence? Think about the 5 W's. How could we say where, when? What could we add to this sentence to make it more interesting? What could we add to this sentence to make it more interesting? Okay, Kaki?
I mix the ingredients to bake the delicious and yummy cookies.
Perfect, well done. I mix the ingredients to bake the delicious and yummy cookies. That would work perfectly well. You're adding in some adjectives to describe the cookies. Well done, Kaki. Let's have a look at the example. It says, I mix the ingredients together so I can bake delicious chocolate chip cookies in my house tonight. So again, we have added in the word delicious here as an extra adjective for the cookies. We're actually telling the cookies are chocolate chip and they're going to be baking them in their house tonight. Okay, so this is giving us way more details than the first simple sentence. This expanded sentence is much more interesting and tells many more details. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this. Read the sentence. Rearrange the sentence. Last night, I baked chocolate chip cookies. Now, this is important. So, the next part of our lesson is learning about how we can rearrange sentences. To rearrange a sentence, you do not change the words, you simply change the order of them, but it still makes the same sense. It still means the same thing. How could we rearrange this sentence, but it still means the same thing? What do we think? So I want you to use all of these words, but rearrange them so they mean the same thing. Katie.
I baked chocolate chip cookies last night.
Good girl, well done. I baked chocolate chip cookies last night. So here, last night is a time order adverb. It tells us when the person was baking. So we can simply take the adverb last night and put it at the end. I baked chocolate chip cookies last night. This sentence has now been rearranged, but it means exactly the same thing. Well done, Katie. Okay, so we've learned about expanding sentences. Now let's learn about rearranging sentences. Who can read this page for me? Shanghai.
When we rearrange sentence,
When we rearrange,
rearrange sentence, we use the same word, but we put them in a different order.
very good. Thank you, Quang Hai. So when we rearrange sentences, we use the same words, but we put them in a different order. Okay, let's have a look. For example, we went to the movies yesterday. We went to the movies yesterday. How could we rearrange the words in this sentence to mean exactly the same thing, but change the sentence? Sal, can you tell me?
Yesterday we went to the movies.
Perfect. Well done. Yesterday, we went to the movies. Well done, Sal. So when we have our adverb of time at the beginning, like in this example, we must make sure we put a comma after. Yesterday, we went to the movies. Well done, Sal. Really good. Okay, let's practice some more. Okay? Have a look at this compound sentence. I listen to music and I see pictures in my head. Now, we can improve this by saying, I listen to music and I see beautiful pictures in my head. Here we have expanded the sentence by adding an adjective. Here it says, writers use words, but composers use notes. Here we have rearranged part of the sentence. Words are used by writers, but composers use musical notes. Again, we have just improved our sentences by expanding and rearranging them so that they sound more interesting and that they flow better. Let's practice some more. Okay, I have soccer later today. How could we rearrange this? How could we rearrange this sentence? I have soccer later today. Michael.
Later, I have soccer today.
Very good. Later, I have soccer today, but we could also say, later today, I have soccer.
Soccer.
Very good. Later today, I have soccer. Perfect. Well done, Michael. Okay, next, have a look at this example. I eat a lot of popcorn when I watch movies. Zui Ming.
When
I
I watch
Go ahead.
movie, I eat a lot of popcorn.
Perfect. Well done, Zui Ming. When I watch movies, I eat a lot of popcorn. Perfect. Well done, Zui Ming. Okay, last one on this page. We scored 3 goals last week. Katie.
Last week, we scored 3 goals.
Very good. Last week, we scored 3 goals. Perfect work, Katie. Okay, we've got one more page of practicing to do. So who can help me do these ones? I need to finish my homework before dinner. Can you answer this one for me?
Before dinner, I need to finish my homework.
Perfect. Well done, Leo. Before dinner, I need to finish my homework. Amazing work. Okay, next, we take a trip to the market every week. Quang Hai.
Every week, we take a trip to the market.
Very good. Every week, we take a trip to the market. Perfect. Well done, Quang Hai. And last one, I made my sister a scarf for Christmas. Go ahead, Jenny.
Christmas, I made my sister a soft.
Very good. For Christmas, I made my sister a scarf. Good girl, Jenny. Well done. For Christmas, I made my sister a scarf. Well done, guys. Amazing work. So, as a conclusion, when you write, you can join short, choppy sentences to make one longer sentence. This is called making a compound sentence. You can also move words around and add details. That's called rearranging and expanding sentences. This makes your writing more interesting. So have a look at these 2 examples. Loop plays the tuba. Her brother James plays the flute. So here we have short, choppy sentences that don't flow together. However, when we rearrange and expand, this is the sentence we could make. Loop plays the tuba very well, and her brother James is a good flute player. This sentence flows together much easier and sounds much more interesting than the short, choppy sentences. Now, I want to give you your homework before we go online and do a quiz. So have a look at your homework for today. Homework for today is 2 worksheets. So this is all about expanding a sentence. I want you to think of the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. So you get a prompt. Who? My pet cat is doing what? My pet cat is sleeping, playing, eating. Where? My pet cat is sleeping on the sofa. My pet cat is eating in the kitchen. With who and why? So here is your first homework. You have to expand the sentence from the prompts you have been given. And over here for your second homework, we have this. My friend is with who? My friend is with me. My friend is with my sister. My friend is with my cat. Doing what? My friend is with my cat playing video games. You can make your sentences silly, but I want you to make sure that you think about the 5 W's and expand your sentences based on the prompts you have been given. So that's 2 worksheets for today. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I want you to go online, type in joinmyquiz.com, and go to the code 582616. So everyone, get online now as we're going to host a live game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen of the quiz, and you can watch everyone else play. But as the questions come up, you can shout out the answers. Okay, so you can shout out the answers. Okay, quite a few hands have just gone up, so I'm assuming quite a few parents are at work. So if anyone cannot play the game because mom and dad are not there, that's okay, and I want you to just play along by looking at this screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I can hear many people have joined the game. So make sure you have taken down your code, guys, 582616, because I'm going to start the game now. So I'm going to stop sharing. Okay, so I can see that Kaki has joined, Jenny, Zuiming, Hacker, Dami. Only 6 people. I'm waiting for more people. Simon's joined. Good, good. There goes Nuna. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to start the game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. Go, 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 guys. So this quiz is all about expanding sentences. Jill loves to play. Jill loves to play hopscotch with her friends, or Jill loves to eat pizza. So if you can't see and you're looking at my screen, just shout out the answers. Expand the sentence. Emily is writing. Is writing or is writing a poem for her sister. John rode his bike. John rode his scooter yesterday. John rode his blue bike down the hill. Just shout out your answer if you can not play online. I can see that some people are finished, but I'm waiting for everyone to be finished, and then we can go through the answers together. Okay, let's have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, so wait, we're still waiting for some people. Still waiting for 3 people to finish. So Nuna, Hacker, Dami, Jenny, and Simon, you are the top 5. Well done. Ooh, Nuna and Hacker are very close. Oh, Hannah and Emma have just joined. So I'm just going to wait for Hannah and Emma to finish theirs, and then we can go through the questions together. So well done to Nuna, Hacker, Dami, Jenny, and Simon. You guys have the highest score. So I think everyone's just about finished. So we've got a few minutes left, so let's just review the quiz and see what we thought. So number 1, expand the sentence. Jill loves to play. How can we expand this sentence? Jill loves to play hopscotch with her friends, or Jill loves to eat pizza? Chi, go ahead and tell me.
Jill loves to play hopscotch with her friends.
Very good, Chi. Jill loves to play hopscotch with her friends. Jill loves to eat pizza is not expanding this sentence because we're not talking about eating at all. Well done, Chi. Number 2, expand the sentence. Emily is writing. Is writing or Emily is writing a poem for her sister? What do we think? This one's a little bit easy. Dami. Dami, go ahead.
Emily is writing a poem for her sister.
Perfect. Well done, Dami. Emily is writing a poem for her sister. This is expanding because we're actually finding out what she's writing, a poem, and who she's writing it for. Number 3, expand the sentence. John rode his bike. John rode his scooter yesterday, or John rode his blue bike down the hill. What do we think? Sal.
John rode his blue bike down the hill.
Very good. John rode his blue bike down the hill. It's telling us an adjective about what color his bike is and where he rode it. Well done. We ate it. We ate, oh, there's a mistake here. They should say ate. We ate the delicious lasagna that mom made us, or we ate vanilla ice cream. Zuiming.
We ate vanilla ice cream.
Okay, so good. You know what? Both of these are an expansion of we ate it. There is a typo here, so this should say we ate. So I think we ate the delicious lasagna that mom made us. Well done, Zui Ming. Okay, number 5. Expand the sentence. Give me the ball. Could we say, give me the soccer ball, please? Or give me the yellow pencil? Which one makes more sense? Kaki, number 5.
Give me the soccer ball, please.
Very good. Well done, Kaki. Okay, and number 6. I want a cookie. Kind.
I want a chocolate chip cookie.
Very good. I want a chocolate chip cookie. We're expanding it by telling what kind of cookie it is. And number 7, look at the zebra. I'm going to unmute everyone. Which sentence is the better sentence? 1, 2, 3.
Look at the black and white zebra.
Very good. Well done, guys. Amazing. Look at the black and white striped zebra. This is giving more details. It's telling us adjectives and how it looks. It's saying black and white, so we have 2 colors, and striped, the actual pattern of the zebra. Well done, guys. Amazing work. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing this, and I'm going to go back to our PowerPoint. Okay, so just to round off, guys, this is your homework. You have to stretch out a sentence. There are 2 homework sheets, so you have to complete one about your pet cat and one about your friend. If you do not have a printer, that is absolutely fine, because what you can do is you can write it out. Okay, you can just write it out on a piece of paper. This will be emailed to your parents now. So if they do have a printer at work, or you do have a printer at home, it would be great if you could print it out. If not, you can just write it out and take a picture. Make sure that you ask mommy and daddy to upload the picture to Google Drive so that Miss Rachel can check all of your homeworks. But you need to write who, what, doing what, where, why, okay? Okay, guys, we are running out of time, so I'm going to say goodbye. So I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to have a look at all of your lovely little faces and say goodbye. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for joining in today, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.
Easy.
Bye.
Bye.